Hey, everybody. How's it going? It's Jamie, Crafty DIY Guy, and I am back. I have got another set of cool projects for you. These are very easy DIY home decor pieces that are perfect for a bathroom or nautical themed room. Also, I've got a very cool contraption on my body right now, and you're probably wondering, what the heck is this guy doing? This is a new product that I want to tell you about because I think every crafter or DIY person needs it. This is by a company called Decor, and it is a Shiatsu neck and shoulder massager. But what I love about it is, first, it plugs in. And you guys know that I did some pressure washing over the weekend, so I am very sore. Also, what I love about it is, check out these arm straps. These help you position it wherever you want it to go. Also, check out that easy to use instrument panel. It has heat, it has different variations of the massage. And the best thing about this thing is that you can move it around wherever you want. It can be on your, it can be on your shoulders. You can move it around and, that hurts, but it feels good. Oh, you can do your shoulder blade. I'm really sore from the pressure washing that I did over the weekend. You can also move it around and do it on your lower back. And see, this helps keep it in place still. You can also move it down a little lower and put it on your booty, or on your legs or knees or anything. And because it's got that heated element to it as well, and the speed adjustment, you can really make this as intense or as relaxing as you want. Hey, I know I'm rambling, and I just wanted to share this thing. But also, if you are one of my long-term subscribers, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you being here. And if you are also one of my newer subscribers, thank you also for being here. I don't do a lot of this kind of stuff, but I had to share it with you. So there is an affiliate link that's going to be in the bottom of the post, in the description, where you can find one of these gadgets yourself. You know, I'm a tall guy as well, so I'm hunched over a lot of times when I'm doing videos and such. And this is just gonna hang in my craft room, and I'm just gonna use it all the time now. I think it's better than, dating somebody, because when you're tired of them, you can just turn them off. All right, guys, thanks so much. I appreciate you indulging me on this very cool contraption here. For our first project, we are going to use some of these Nautical Dollar Tree wood cutouts in the Crafter Square section. Also, one of these wood palettes and my red, white, and blue chalk paint. Go ahead and take your ship's wheels, there's going to be 2 of them in your package, and glue them together. I'm just doing this because it gives the ship's wheel a little bit more bulk. You could certainly use just one if you wanted to. Set that aside and let it dry, and then I'm going to paint my palette in red, white, and blue striped, giving it kind of an aged, distressed look. After I've got the blue paint all set up and everything is drying, I'll go back in and I'll touch up kind of some of those spots. And then I'm going to take my ship's wheel and I'm going to cover it in my Waverly wax. Once that has dried, I'm going to then glue the ship's wheel on top of my red, white, and blue palette. And then I add a small little block on the back for a stand. And this is what it looks like in the bathroom. I love this. I think it's super cute and it's fun and patriotic. For the next project, we are also going on that patriotic theme. I'm grabbing this wood stand that's left over from an old project that didn't end so well. And then I also have one of these fish from Crafter Square at Dollar Tree as well. What's cool about it is it's a flexible fishy, kind of like the snake head that I used before. I went ahead and painted my base this blue color. I love this blue color. This is from Folk Art, and I can put the paint description below if I remember. I probably won't. Then I'm taking my antiquing wax. I did go ahead and tape off my fish because I want to stain the tail and the head of my fish kind of in this brown color to make it look like it's stained wood. So then I'm going to let that paint, or that stain rather, dry, and then remove the painter's tape and literally just kind of shift the painter's tape around to give me a somewhat straight line. that I can paint around. I'm going to paint some red and white stripes on the body of the fish itself. And here you can see I'm playing with fire and painting that red color very close to that stained area. I did end up going through and putting some more tape on that just to protect that. And then once everything is done, this is kind of what he looks like. I am going to go ahead and glue the stick or the top of my little stand to the fish's back and make sure that that stays really good. And this is what the little guy looks like when he's all done. Again, I think it's a perfect addition to the bathroom. Super, super cute, kind of still plays into that patriotic theme, that kind of traditional nautical theme. You could even distress this a little bit if you wanted to. I think it's super, super cute and just a fun add-on. The last project is going to be this little flamingo. I love a flamingo. However, I want to kind of make him look more like a pelican or more nautical. I did have an extra piece of wood block that I'm also going to use, and then that Dollar Tree twine that you saw me holding up. So first we're going to take all of this kind of ribbon off of the bird itself. Once you kind of start to kind of snip it, you can see it comes off really, really easily, and you may have to do it in sections. Once I've got everything off, then I'm just going to start wrapping my bird or my future pelican in twine. So I'm kind of starting at the neck, at the head there, and just kind of working my way up. The great thing about this is because it's plastic, you just need a little bit of hot glue to get started, and then you can just keep wrapping. As you do get towards the ends, though, you will need more hot glue, and you'll have to be very patient with that. So again, just kind of wrapping the feet, wrapping the legs, getting everything covered in that Dollar Tree twine. For the bottom of the foot, I did put a strip of hot glue around there and just started wrapping it all the way around and getting his feet completely covered. Then once I was done, I did go ahead and create a little bit of a beak on the pelican itself. What I wanted to do is, since the flamingo had kind of a smaller beak, I wanted to give the pelican a little bit more of a look. So I stuck a piece of a wooden skewer in the beak, and I feel like I'm saying beak a whole lot, and then I just wrapped it all around, and this is what the little guy looks like when he's done. So I just took my lighter and just burned away some of those frayed edges that typically comes with twine, and made sure that he looked his best, and this is what it looks like in my bathroom. I love this little guy. I think it's super cute, and he goes very, very well with the rest of my nautical themed projects. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.